Okay, mate. SYNWETH. I think I've got the right chart. Well spotted on the move. Crazy move. Um, Beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. See this dip, and it's a blueprint for success, right? Blueprint for success. You get this base. You break up out of the base, a BART pattern back up out of the base. Then you drop back in above all moving averages, and you U-shape back up. Now this is a 4-hour chart. It'll obviously show it better on a 1-hour chart. Look at this U-shape back up. It's also a break up out of this all moving averages here. Um, Absolutely beautiful there on a 4-hour chart. Fantastic, and it just shows the power of a blueprint for success pattern on any time frame. That's up 69% today, and it was up 100 and let's just check it instead of guessing, 137%. But it just shows you the power of a blueprint for success pattern when it really forms. Well, I mean, I don't recommend buying this today. There could be, if it finishes like this today, tomorrow there can be a trade in that, for example. But there can be a trade today. Yeah, there can be. It's a nice dip here. The the way I usually like to do these moves is I let it form that first dip, wherever this first dip goes, and then it'll probably do something like this. Then you want to buy the second dip, right? Either just below or just above here, and look to play that for a retest of the highs. That's the safest way to do it. There's no point catching a knife on the first one because sometimes it can go further than you think if there's a bad sell off.